This video is intended to aid the trained service technician in repairing this particular Alto-Shaam oven. Do not attempt to repair this oven if you are not a trained service technician. Service technicians may obtain the proper training by contacting the Alto-Shaam technical service team. When repairing this oven, wear personal protective equipment and follow local codes and regulations. Contact the Alto-Shaam technical service team if you have any questions about how to safely and properly repair this appliance. The purpose of this video is to show the removal and replacement process for the cleaning pump used in the Alto-Shaam Converge oven. To perform this process, you'll need basic hand tools, number 1 and number 2 Phillips screwdrivers, replacement hose clamps, a clamp removal tool, and a bucket and towels. In this video, we are using a 2-chamber Converge oven, but the process is identical for the 3-chamber model. The pump is located on the right side, in the back corner of the oven. To begin, disconnect the electrical power source from the oven. Next, turn off the water supply to the oven. Examine the rear plumbing and drain configuration. Move the oven away from the wall. Make sure the drain does not restrict the oven's movement. Unscrew and disconnect the water supply hoses from the oven. Place a bucket under the condensate tank drain. Remove the drain cap and allow the water to drain out of the tank. Remove the 2 screws securing the top panel to the oven. Open the top panel and rotate the support latch to hold the top panel in the up position. Remove the right side panel. Record the wire locations. Mark both sides of the wires and remove them. Loosen, but don't remove, the screws securing the pump. They do not need to be removed. Remove the pump access panel on the bottom of the oven. Remove the clamps from the hoses going into the cleaning pump and remove the hoses. Once all screws and hoses are removed, carefully remove the cleaning pump from the oven. Transfer these 2 screws from the old cleaning pump to the new cleaning pump. Wipe up any water in the bottom of the oven. Install new hose clamps onto the hoses. Slide the new pump into position. Put the hoses onto the new pump and tighten the hose clamps. Secure the pump to the oven with the 2 screws. Reconnect the wires to the pump. Reinstall the cap onto the condensate tank drain. Reposition the oven. Reinstall the left side water hose to the oven. Then reinstall the right side water hose to the oven. Now we can turn the water supply back on and resupply electrical power to the oven. Allow the oven control to power up. Allow the oven control to power up, then navigate to the service screen. Find the Y2 selection on the screen and touch the square to energize the solenoid valve to fill the condensate tank. Then test the Y4 cleaning pump and check for leaks. Wipe up any water in the bottom of the oven. Install the access panel on the bottom of the oven. Reinstall the right side panel. Lower the top panel back down and push each vent tube gasket seal back into place. Install the 2 screws to secure the top panel to the oven. Move the oven back into its original position in the kitchen. The removal and replacement process for the cleaning pump in the Converge oven is now complete. For more service videos, please visit ServiceNet.